So I don't have any idea if my phone is waterproof. I'm basically just crossing my fingers that the commercial with that old man diving into the pool is real and that my iPhone can get wet, but yeah, just like I said, hoping for the best. Hi everyone, so welcome to the vlog. It is raining, obviously it's Portland, so it's like always raining. I have a million errands to run and I'm just not gonna get down about it because that's just, I moved to this state and I knew what I was getting into, so I just need to accept it. But I have to go to Anthropologie to find a candle. Also, there's a gallery show that I've been wanting to see and I haven't gotten a chance to, so I thought it would be a good time today to just run and do that and check that out. And I'm meeting with an artist, Tessa Heck, today. She is going to be the first artist that I will be partnering with for a series of auctions in Portland, so that will be on March 30th. So it's a busy day. Oh yeah, and then tonight there's this thing called Drink and Draw at another gallery space in Portland that I think Evan and I are going to go to. It basically sounds magical, so we're going to try that out tonight.
You lose the juju somehow, you know, it's crazy. You know, like Yogi Berra said, half of this game is 90% mental.
So the gallery that I'm going to is called Adams Ollman, and the artist showing there is Ted. So the name of the artist is actually Todd Norsten. I don't know why I said Ted or why that was in my head, but it was, and it wasn't right. So I wanted to make sure that it was clear that the artist is actually named Todd Norsten. I believe he's from Minnesota. I know that he for sure lives there and works there now. I'm originally from Minnesota, so it's kind of cool to be able to see him showing at a Portland gallery. I'm hoping to get some clips while I'm in there because his work is absolutely incredible. So, super impressed with the show. I definitely want to bring a tour here for the Boys Club. That would be so cool to be able to share these pieces with them. I don't know, like, I don't know if you can even hear me. This might be worthless. Goodbye. Goodbye. So I've been watching a lot of Ashley Brooke lately. She just got this flat iron and blow dryer sent her, and I think I just found it in Anthropologie, which is like really cool. By the way, can we just like have a moment for this couch? It's really pretty. After looking closer, I'm not sure if it's the same one, but I will check online when I get home to see if it is. just got back home from my meeting with Tessa Heck, and I'm really excited about the auction that's coming up with her. We went through a few of her pieces, which I think I will show before this clip, so you will have already seen those. She's a super talented artist, so I'm really excited to be partnering with her for the first auction. Evan and I ended up getting dinner at this cool Hawaiian place. My Uber driver actually told me about it, so we checked that out and it was absolutely delicious. I definitely don't think drink and draw is something that I want to do tonight. It happens every Thursday, so we will just go next Thursday, but for tonight we are just going to lay low. I think it'll be a similar day tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog it or not. Maybe if it's not raining I'll be more apt to vlog, but it was just like kind of a mess to have to do that with the camera and deal with the rain. So yeah, that's all for now, and maybe I will check in tomorrow. Demo.